All right, guys, it's spring. You know what that means. Farmers are out in the fields. They're planting their crops almost, because first, before they plant, they've got to spray, right? And so that means glyphosate. So if you live in any sort of rural setting, then glyphosate should be on your mind right now. And you're in luck, because we just happen to have a glyphosate test kit. So this is our DIY glyphosate in water test kit, but it can also test for glyphosate in soil. So it is super easy, extremely accessible as far as the brain power that it takes to run it, but it'll detect down to 200 ppb, that's parts per billion, in water or soils, or quite frankly, any sort of produce, so fruits, vegetables, things of that nature. But right now is the time to grab your glyphosate test kit, and this is how you should think about it. You can start seeing the clover growing out in the fields right now, right? It's those purple flowers, and it's gorgeous in the spring. The farmers are going to come through and they're going to spray to knock all that back, like I said, before they plant. So what you want to do is, particularly if you're going to test your drinking water, right? If you're in a rural area, there's a good chance you're on well water. And so you're going to want to test a few days following when the farmer sprays. You don't want to test the same day. Obviously, it's not going to make it right into your water supply that same day. But if they spray and then you get rain, maybe a day, 2, 3 days later, then you're going to want to then test your well water 2, 3 days later, right? Because then if that rain hits and there's runoff and there's any sort of intrusion, then it's going to take a few days for it to then hit your water supply. For overspray, you want to be able to test your soil relatively soon after the farmers apply the herbicide to their fields. We have an in-lab version of this as well, where you collect the sample and then send it in to us. You're going to have a much lower detection level on the in-lab version of this kit. Safe Home test kits, glyphosate herbicide test kit, DIY and in-lab version. Go buy one. Make sure that your garden's safe. Make sure that your drinking water's safe. Your kids, your pets. Make sure your pets are safe. All the things. Protect your family. Buy a test kit.